Alright guys, we're back. It's gonna be a little two-part video. I ran out of room on my phone, so let's go ahead and crank this thing up. Well, it ain't got no power. No power. Let's go and see why. Man, it's cold out here. There we go. Yeah, I got unplugged. Yeah, it's crappy here. Gotta love friggin' Maine. Crank that thing up to 200 amps. Yeah, it's not a bad little car. Little Chrysler. I think it's a 2006. But for free, what can you say, you know? But the car's got a little bit of an antifreeze leak, and I'm gonna be fixing that when it gets warmer. I have no room in my garage right now, but I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, hold on a second. Have to get on the other side here. Okay. See those two hoses right there that runs into the firewall? Well, that metal line right there on the bottom, I think it is. No, the top one is. There we go. Is gotta rot it out a little bit. It's got a little pinhole in it, so yeah, gotta fix that. But other than that, it's a nice little running car. So, oh, shoot, tripping over ice. So let's hop in her and see what she does. Like I said, this ain't gonna be much of a cold start, but oh, she ain't liking that. I guess we'll let her charge a wee bit more. There we go. Boy, look at the view I got over there. There's always deer in that field right there. About 5 o'clock at night. Last night I had a moose walk down through. That was exciting to see. Oh, shoot. Yeah. Got a little bobblehead dog. The old lady that had this car, she liked dogs, so. But I gotta clean all that stuff out here in the spring. Let's give her a whirl again. There we go. She's off. So, take a walk on the outside. She's running, guys. I'm gonna leave the battery charger hooked in because I'm gonna charge the battery up, slow charge it, so I'm gonna shut it off. There we go. She's running. I don't think she's gonna move right now on tire right there, all in snow. Probably just gonna leave it. I was gonna move it out, but that's all right. So. Somebody tried fixing the rocker panel down there, and they just put screws and stuff in it. Oh, shoot. Take a walk out round back of here. There's the old Ford pickup right there. It's all tarped up. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna call this a video. You guys take care. have a good afternoon. Because I'm going inside. She's cold out here. I'm going to shut this thing back off. And I'm going to slow charge it so the battery will stay up. So, take care, guys. Like I said, have a great afternoon.